Hello friends! Beginning of the month, craziness, hence the lack of videos. As always, that has been my trend. 2022 is just everything happening at the beginning of the month. Anyway, I'm testing out a new to me microphone, so I thought I would film a haul video. I haven't done that in forever. Can't even remember. All of this stuff I've purchased over the last, goodness, at least couple months. I'm not even sure. Like, it's multiple orders. Some of this was sent to me. I just got the Studio Katia package. So yeah, I thought, why not film a haul video while I'm testing things out? Also, it's not like no one can notice. This is just an anniversary band. Just because people see my hands all the time. I got my anniversary gift a little early from Chris, and yeah, it's blingy. Bling bling, baby. Anyway, let's get into the haul. So, Studio Katia now has their own little branded bone folder. This is the Teflon kind. Highly recommend a good Teflon bone folder. Absolute favorites. I've been using Teflon bone folders for however many years now, and love them. It was one of those things where it's like, do I really need to spend, $20, $25 roughly? Like, they're not cheap, but they last for years and years and years. They're so much better, and they're so much better. Like, so much better. So, love. So, yeah. You got your pointy end to your creases. I always use the flat end to, you guys see me do that, flatten the crease, etc. Love. So, she's got that. She's got double-sided adhesive tape, just narrow double-sided adhesive tape. There are foam strips now in two different thicknesses. So we've got 1/16 and 1/8. That makes me really happy. The 1/16 is like the thin size that I like, that, gives you a little bit of dimension without a lot of bulk. And then the 1/8 is like your standard thickness. So she has them in strips, but you can also get them in rolls. And same thing, there's this 1/16 inch thick, so like narrower, and it's only 1/4 inch. So I like that too. That'll be nice for like sentiments and things. And then the bigger roll is 1/8 of an inch and about 1/4 inch. So these would be great for shaker cards, because you either will not need to double it, but if you want like a good size, 2 of these, more than enough. So, love that. Love Studio Katia. And actually, speaking of that, I ordered some of my own things. I had seen these and I was like, I need to have these. And then when they got here, they're bigger than I expected. I don't know why it would, yeah. Like, in my head, I was picturing them, because looking at them online, but which would have been silly if they had been really small, because the whole point of these is they're collapsible heart bowls. So you can put water in them, and they've got, nubs and everything, so when you're cleaning your brushes, you can just, I love that. I love this. And because, again, they're silicone, they're not going to, slide all over. So I ordered 2 of them, because I like to have one for dirty water that I initially, and then I have one for clean water, and then I'll, switch my brush in that when I'm watercoloring and messing around with water, my videos. So these are cute. And then, yeah, they collapse, which just is perfect for storage. I think these are so adorable. I am so glad I got them, and I think they come in another color, but yeah. I love it. I think these are just the most adorable thing. So, I had ordered those. And then, what else did I? All kinds of sort of random things here. I got some more cutting plates for my Spellbinders Platinum. I've shown these. I don't always show my die cutting, but I got the 6x6 ones. I have a bunch of these, but I like having extras on hand. I like this size because you can rotate them especially in the big platinum. So depending on what I'm die cutting, I can constantly keep rotating my plate so I get better cuts and it doesn't cause that big crack like when you have like a square wafer die or a rectangle. So, and then I have like gold glitter, which the only reason I like that is the clear ones, they like to walk away because they'll just hide in plain sight and you can't see them. So when I started doing these ones, I was like, yes, one, they're glittery, so they're beautiful, but also they're easier to see. So I got extras because I always like to stock up sometimes with orders. I also got, finally, my hands on the Misti sticky mats. I have the Brutus Monroe ones and really like them. I wanted to get some of the Misti ones because I plan on cutting some of these down. So they're like Jennifer McGuire's done videos on these. I'm sure there's like a bunch of other great videos as well. But the neat things with these is they've got like that little bit of grip to them and they will just cling onto your paper, etc. So these are meant to like fit in your Misti, but again, you can cut them down. So these in combination with the Tim Holtz mats, that was a previous order as well. I will link to Tim's video. It is very long, but there's a ton of info. Ton. Seriously. He had come out with this media grip, and of course I was like ordering it as I'm watching his video because that's what you do. So I got the pack with 3 of them. I've already cut down. This is one cut down, so it's got like different pieces, and then these are just Simon's big paper storage that the sides have been cut off, so you can store the media grip pieces in here because it only grips to the one piece and not the other. And I'm actually probably going to get more of these and cut some more sides off and actually use them to store these as well. Yeah, that might actually come in really handy. So anyway, these work really well with this because the grip will grip to the bottom. Again, I'll link to Tim's video, and then I'll have to look and see which one of Jennifer's is. She came out with one right close to his, showing using like these with this, and I was like, that is brilliant because she is a genius. So that was the reason for all the things. And then I also got random, this was like a very random order. There we go. Okay, so I got some foil just because it was beautiful. I need to like pull out the rest of my Deco foil and the paste and all the things, but like look at this, seriously. This is a Mystic Rainbow foil. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. So I ordered that because it just caught my eye like magpie, you know. So I got a 2 of that. And I also got these Spectrum Noir metallic paint markers. Yeah, they caught my eye. So there's gold, copper, and quicksilver, and they have 3 different size nibs. So the narrow one I thought would be great for addressing or for writing on the insides of cards, like dark card bases. Same with even that size. And then the other ones I'm not 100% sure yet what I will do with them. But yeah. It's oil-based metallic paint. You have a super fine nib, a fine nib, and then the chisel nib. And yeah, they'll work on almost any surfaces. People who actually do writing and that sort of a thing would love these, I'm sure, because you could do, you know, fancy metallic everything. So I got those, and then, yeah, like slowly just adding to my Mama Elephant collection. This came out more than a couple months ago. I forget. And of course, like, I always order Mama Elephant. It just is what it is. So I got the Celebration Hamsters set. It was so cute. And also because a few people from back in the day remember. There's like, it's a weird inside joke that I can't even explain here because you had to be there. Anyway, hamsters. Same with this one. This was the Little Hamster Agenda. Like, I I love Mama Elephant's critter everything. So there's wafer dies and stamps. This adorable stamp set. This is the Wishes Enclosed stamp set. I love that there's a coordinating wafer die and how it cuts out the words instead of just cutting out the perimeter. It really really cuts around them. And they've got another set that they released more recently. I'm waiting on that one. But yeah, I really like that. So there's that one. And then there was this cute party scene cover wafer die that also I was like, this is really adorable. So it's been sitting here, you know. So I got that. And then I had ordered a couple of Spellbinders folders, embossing folders. I really like the size of these. Like they are 5.5 by 8.5 inches, these embossing folders. So I got the diamond plaid and the splatter. I'm kind of hoping more companies come out with this larger size because this works so nicely to do, like it gives you more variety because you can do slimline, you can do A2, 5 by 7, you know, like you're not stuck with just one size. It's the same thing I've said with stencils. I'm liking the bigger sizes because then I can do more with them. So I'd got those. And then I'd also got this whole collection that this was all designed by Vicky Papaioannou. I might be butchering her last name, but I'm sure all of you are aware of her. She makes fabulous projects. Her art journaling. I don't do art journaling to save my life, but I will sit and watch her videos and just like, oh, love. So she did this collection and there's multiple paintbrush wafer dies with little like add-on parts. So this one's got like little tulips. This one's got like a paint blob splatter. This one has little butterflies. This great big one has like flowers and everything. Love. And then there's also this fabulous painter's palette wafer die. This one is big. And then it's got the tuba paint and the brush and everything. Like, love it. So I got that. And then I got these swallowtail tags, wafer dies, as well as the sentiments labels wafer dies, because I thought these will just be great with so many like hot foil sentiments, stamp sentiments, all the things. So I got those. I also got this Celebrate You Glimmer Sentiments because there was a ton of fabulous sentiments in here. There's also a stamp set that goes with all the paintbrush things. Love. And then I couldn't resist getting this little plant a succulent from Lawn Fawn. I just thought it was so cute. So yeah, I have a soft spot for Lawn Fawn just like Mama Elephant. And then last but certainly not least, I had picked up this Pink Fresh Happy Birthday Sentiments stamp set. I just thought, like, because there's just so many great sentiments to put on the insides of cards, because you guys know I love finishing the insides of my cards. And it was a Nicole, one of Nicole Spore's videos. She was talking about this set and like she was making a bunch of birthday cards and I was like, ooh, this is a set I need to have in my stash because I don't do enough birthday cards, but I want to do more of them. And I was like, this will be a good one to have on hand. So yeah, that was my haul video of many orders. I know I used to do haul videos back in the day like regularly. Let me know if you guys want me to like start doing them more regularly because I do order a lot. I do have like release and review videos I need to do as well. I'm so behind on everything. I'm getting there. I have cards coming, all the things. It's just been crazy. And like always, I will link to everything I showed in the description box below the video. I'll also link to my blog, and in my blog it's picture links, so it makes it easier to find all the things if you want to check anything out or get a closer look online, etc. You can always follow me too on my social medias. I post random stuff sometimes, but usually it's always like I always post when I have a new video, etc. That always goes on my social media, so that's one way to keep up. Because of course YouTube and their subscribe button and the bell for notifications, like click that, please. You know, it does its thing, but sometimes it's not the greatest, so you can follow me on my socials. And yeah, that's it for the moment. I'll be back really soon with another video. Bye guys.